Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the Rekt Capital channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. It is a spectacular day today because Bitcoin made a new all-time high. Ethereum made a new all-time high. Cardano, Chainlink, and the altcoin market cap, all of these have made a new all-time high, which makes it a really momentous occasion. This is a spectacular day because there are new all-time highs everywhere across the board on the major altcoins here, as well as Bitcoin. And just to talk about Bitcoin's price action, it broke out from a confluent resistance area, a multi-month confluent resistance area that was the diagonal resistance over here and the horizontal resistance of 59,000, and now we've just got sky ahead, right? It's price discovery. The sky is the limit. Bitcoin can rally onwards to 70k, 80k going forward. Really, the sky's the limit. Bitcoin is in price discovery, as are many large cap altcoins, which sets up the entire interesting money flow cycle. It sets the stage for smaller altcoins to really outperform in the market. In any case, guys, let's dive into the video, but of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's talk about the money flow cycle, because we see that primarily investor money flow is focused and situated in Bitcoin right over here, but Bitcoin itself isn't making new all-time highs because we're seeing Cardano, which recently broke out from an ascending triangle to new all-time highs, clearing these wicks over here, clearing that wicking area. Fantastic stuff from Cardano over here, really eclipsing very easily the 2018 all-time highs, and a weekly close above this area is going to allow Cardano to rally straight into price discovery to new all-time highs once again. And Chainlink has broken out from an ascending triangle as well. These are, of course, charts that I shared on Twitter over the past few days, and we're seeing rapid development in the altcoin market, specifically in the large caps. So you're seeing large caps start to take off, as well as Ethereum, which recently cleared its old all-time high and successfully turned it into support, springboarding into price discovery. And Ethereum is now really on its way to just continuing its breakout from its U-shaped reversal right over here. Fantastic price increase since breaking out from here, and you can see that Litecoin is following the same exact formation. It's so much behind Ethereum, and you can just see the magnitude, how far it really is behind Ethereum, but you also see at the same time that it has all that much more to go. So much more lies ahead of Litecoin going forward, and Litecoin has already actually broken past a 226 resistance, which is a key 4-year cycle resistance. The last 4-year cycle resistance is $305. So breaking past $305, which is around this area, that's really going to enable rapid acceleration in the new trend for Litecoin, and Litecoin's going to do it. That's more a case of time, not a matter of whether it's going to do it or not. It's more a case of time. Ethereum is leading the way, and we're seeing Litecoin lag, but still trend follow Ethereum, and it's going to catch up to Ethereum. And in fact, over the past few weeks, we've seen really incredible acceleration and recorrelation from Litecoin to Ethereum. We're seeing the recorrelation happen here, where Litecoin is really catching up to Ethereum. So there is a bit of a lag, and there's going to be a lag for the foreseeable future, but this lag is going to shorten and narrow down, especially once Litecoin fully breaks past this final 4-year cycle resistance. Really, that's something really to get excited about Litecoin. And a tidbit here, an interesting point here, is that it's fantastic to see how Litecoin finished its correction at 39%, just like it had a 39% correction in the early bull market in late 2020. So fantastic to just see this symmetry here. But in any case, Dash is also performing fantastically well. This blue level has been a springboard to fantastic price movement towards the upside for Dash. This is now a support. Historically, great movement. And now we're turning this level into a support, and we're already seeing some fantastic movement already, and much more to come. You're seeing how Dash is positioning itself for fantastic upside from that historically relevant level. Litecoin is setting itself up for tremendous upside. Cardano is on the cusp of entering price discovery. Chainlink, new all-time high as well in price discovery. And you can see how even coins like Stellar are doing very well. So Stellar has recently broken out from a descending, broadening wedge. And this red level over here is very key for XLM, because once it's able to actually turn this level into support, you'll see that it's going to challenge this final major resistance area before actually validating its own U-shaped formation and then breaking out into a macro new trend. So you're seeing so many coins just mimic the behavior of Ethereum. Ethereum is over here, Litecoin is over here, and XLM, similar price predicament. In fact, on the cusp of breaking past this final major resistance area just to validate that U-shaped reversal. And also we're seeing Cardano, which is much further along in the process, closely correlated to Ethereum. So XLM in this case is less correlated to Ethereum, but still strongly so. Less than Cardano, which is very closely so. And of course, Litecoin is the least correlated, but we're going to see that resynchronization as we progress. So you're seeing all these large caps essentially break out to new all-time highs or validate, or are actually on the cusp of validating their U-shaped reversals. So macro-wise, new trends are on the horizon for large caps. Bitcoin, new all-time high, but we're seeing this capital flow into large caps as well, and these large caps are actually rallying together with Bitcoin, so it's a fantastic time in the market, because historically, Q2 tends to be a very bullish time for both Bitcoin and altcoins as a whole, and you're already seeing this history repeat right now, and it's spectacular to just see this, because there's lots to be bullish about. During a historically bullish month, we've only just started April, and the beginning of Q2 has only just started, and we're going to see so much more upside from Bitcoin going forward. But at the same time, we also have to think about where could Bitcoin consolidate? And of course, one of the key areas to watch out for is 70,000. 70,000 is a key psychological resistance, and it's at these resistances that we tend to think more about price, because people think about Bitcoin in terms of tens now, 60, 70, 80, and there is no guarantee that we're going to see consolidation at 70k, but we did see consolidation at 60k. So a consolidation period at 70k, should we even get that? Because we could of course see consolidation near 80k at the end of the month, in mid-May for instance. Consolidation, wherever that may be for Bitcoin, is going to enable altcoins. And we have to bear in mind that once we see that consolidation for altcoins, altcoins are going to start popping off. As per the money flow cycle, we're going to see this money trickle into mid caps and low caps. But at the same time, we're going to see a few money flow cycles take place, because during periods of consolidation, we're going to see money flow into large caps, mid caps, and low caps. And then we're going to see that money flow back into Bitcoin once Bitcoin exits that consolidation phase to rally to new all-time highs again, before repeating the same process once again. And we're going to see this process a few more times, because Bitcoin is going to consolidate inside a flagging structure or a sideways channel for a few times. It's going to do this a few times in the quarter, and we just have to bear in mind that this is going to be fantastic for altcoins, but fantastic for Bitcoin as a reaccumulation period, because these sideways channels aren't going to be distribution errors. They're going to be errors of reaccumulation, and we're going to see small pauses in the uptrend for Bitcoin before seeing further upside. So consolidation for Bitcoin at any point in time in the future, that's going to be bullish consolidation, and it's going to be a bullish time for altcoins as well. So no need to be bearish. There are going to be moments in Q2 where we're probably going to think about another bear market. Many people are going to be panicking about it, but just remember that historically consolidation periods in Q2 precede further upside, and during these consolidation periods, altcoins tend to outperform in the market. Really important to just bear that in mind for the foreseeable future, because in the short term, people get too preoccupied with the noise of the volatility and start screaming about a new bear market, but we're still so far away from a bear market. This is the thick of the bull market right now. We're really approaching and maturing in this bull market, and we're going to start to see explosive rallies. But for now, This is where we are situated in the money flow cycle. Large caps benefiting from that money flow already, and then we're going to see all that money flow into mid caps and low caps as well. Time will show, and we just have to be patient, position ourselves accordingly, play the money flow cycle accordingly, properly, and we will just see the crypto market change our lives over the coming months. Lots to get excited about. I can't wait. It's already exciting, and there's much more excitement yet to come. Having said that, thanks so much for watching today. And of course, guys, if you haven't even heard, I haven't announced this on YouTube, but I'm releasing a new altcoin investing course. The timing is no coincidence because next week on Monday, the altcoin investing course is going to be launching. And it's coming at a fantastic time just before the main money flow trickles into altcoins. Feel free to pre-order by checking the link in the description down below. Save $50 by pre-ordering. That's the early bird discount for early birds. Make the most of it. It's a fantastic resource that's going to gear you up fantastically well for an exciting period that we will remember for many months and years to come. Thanks so much for watching today. Of course, like the video if you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this in the future, and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like this as well. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.